We see a large amount of data in our day-to-day life. Data is the most critical asset of any corporate entity. Data could be anything. Data could be your customer, it could be your supplier, it could be your office location, even your financial data that are processed into information and actionable insights. So many organizations are drowning in too much data, or they are facing data accessibility constraints due to the choice of their data analysis tools. Either way, complexity of data can be very costly. A very clear case, steep cost of data complexity in this company where I work. Let's call this company A. Here, I prepare weekly cash flow, debtors and creditors age analysis reports, which were critical for management to make relevant decisions. This role that I occupied in finance team required the collection of countless of data points and development of numerous reports. Using Excel to prepare all of these reports take me minimum of 6 hours every day, which was very unproductive. And worst thing was that we seem to get different answers as every time in finance team. There was a delay in raising purchase order, and when purchase order was later raised, the price had really gone up, and we ended up spending more from the company purse. Management was unable to make decision quickly, and as a result of that, they ended up getting frustrated because of that. So the company was losing a whole lot in time and in money. To solve this problem, we needed to figure out this with due time to make my work effective and also to stop the company from hemorrhaging money. So I started the research. In my research, I came across data analytical tools made up of Power Query, Power BI, and also Power Pivot, which allows me to automatically connect and explore all of these data together in my system and create a report at a faster pace. When I started using one of these data analytical tools, Power BI, I was able to deliver my reports in less than 45 minutes, saving hours of time. We were able to raise our purchase order at the beginning of the month, which helped us to save in 10% of what we have been spending throughout the year. And also we were able to track our receivables up to 20% from our long-age clients. Power BI offers a cost-effective way for us to connect and explore data. Not only that, it also helps us to add value more than creating reports. Power BI has only one version of the truth to win over Excel users by extracting data from different and multiple sources and transform them into one layout that is most suited for analysis. With the use of Power BI, we were able to visualize, and it's a great platform for us to interact with high-level financial data. Fortunately, we are in the 21st century. There are a lot of modeling technology. For instance, we have Agile Business Intelligence model. It allows us to solve multi-dimensional problems. The multi-dimensional problem in the area of exploring countless, limitless number of different scenarios and outcomes that can help us with a single model. For instance, if a company wants to grow its business organically, either entering through a new market or setting up an industry, there is need for such a company to carry out what we call scenario and sensitivity analysis. And for that to be effective, there will be need for them to examine what we refer to as 3 scenario case analysis. The first one is the life or the current case analysis. Then the second one, the best case analysis. Then the third scenario, the worst case scenarios. All this allows us to know the viability of the project, whether the project will be viable, the possible outcome of such a project in 5 or 10 years time, and not only that, whether it will be favorable or it will lead to unfavorable event that could impact the company. Generally, business intelligence tools, it has helped a lot of companies these days to give value for their money for better financial choices.